Product unpacking. Take out to forks. Power on and lift the fork carriage. Take out and insert one straddle leg. Take out and insert the other. Adjust width and tighten bolts diagonally. Product operation. Power on. Press lift button to raise forks. Press lower button to lower forks. Push down on the handle and rotate accelerator knob to move forward or back. Press horn button to activate the buzzer. Press turtle button and rotate accelerator knob to move in tight space. The stacker will reverse when the emergency reverse button is pressed against the body. The stacker will stop immediately when the handle is in upright horizontal position. Power off when finished.